FBI warning. Lyric Studios.
Hop on board and explore the island of Sodor with everyone's #1 friend, Thomas the Tank Engine. You'll join in on the excitement and adventure with all of Thomas's friends. There's the cheerful but sometimes accident-prone Percy, the proud and strong Gordon, James with his splendid red coat, the long and fast Henry, the always helpful Bertie, everyone's new friend Emily, and Sir Topham Hatt, the superintendent of the railway, who makes sure everything keeps running right on time. Each release in this award-winning collection contains stories that teach the valuable life lessons of friendship and working together, and the importance of trust and honesty.
Thank you for looking after my passengers. I do like company, especially children's company.
And now, little engineers have an express ticket to trainloads of interactive fun, now available on DVD. Join your railway friends as they take you to island destinations such as the Fun and Game Shed, Sing-Along Station, Read-Along Depot, and the Character Gallery, where you'll meet each engine up close and personal. Each Thomas the Tank Engine release is engineered for fun. The journey starts here, so climb aboard for all of these Thomas and Friends adventures today.
Please stay tuned following this presentation for previews of other Lyric Studios home videos.
Get cleaned up. Let's brush, everybody. And gather all the family. I think it's tremendous. It's a special Barney double feature with 2 times the fun on 2 terrific videos.
This is going to be lots of fun.
First, from tissues to toothbrushes, it's Barney and his friends at their squeaky cleanest.
You really should cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze, sugar.
Come along as Barney and the kids learn all about staying healthy in Good Clean Fun.
Well, brushing your teeth after eating helps keep your teeth clean and safe from germs.
But the smiles don't end there, because when it comes to getting along with your brother or sister, DJ and Baby Bop have got it all figured out.
Being different is what makes each of you special.
That's right. Learn all about working and playing together in Oh Brother, She's My Sister.
It's nice when families play and have fun together.
Get ready for 2 great videos full of good, clean family fun with everyone's favorite purple dinosaur. Don't miss Barney's Good Clean Fun and Oh Brother, She's My Sister. Now available together on home video for one low price from Lyric Studios. You know how much fun it is to see your favorite dinosaur. Now imagine how much fun it is to see your favorite dinosaur in his very own stage show.
Is everyone ready to have a stupendous time?
Get ready for Barney's Big Surprise, the live video recording of his first ever National Stage Show Tour. Join Barney, Baby Bop, and a host of old and new friends as they come together to celebrate oops, it's a surprise.
Ooh, I want to tell.
There's music, laughter, and fun galore as Barney brings all his very special friends into your very own home. You'll see Mother Goose, Professor Tinkerput, and many, many more. So get ready to clap your hands, because this is one super-duper surprise you'll never forget.
With a cake this big, I think I need everyone's help.
Don't miss Barney's Big Surprise, now available on home video from Lyric Studios.
Get ready to splash into one adventure after another with Kipper.
come rain or shine, a little water goes a long way toward a fun day with Kipper. In ponds,
Ahoy! Kipper!
Hi, Tiger.
or in pools.
Who's that? Try and make a video.
Just add water for good, clean fun with Kipper. Kipper's Water Play, now available from Hit Entertainment.
Not so far away, there's a wonderful wetland where nature comes alive like never before.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy!
It's a magical place full of laughs, songs, and lots of friends.
I am Hegdish, explorer extraordinaire.
Welcome to Groundling Marsh, home to some of Mother Nature's most delightfully unusual characters. Join Galileo and Maggie, Echo and Crystal, Mudslinger and Hegdish,
Did somebody mention my name?
and Stax as they share an adventure after adventure and learn many valuable lessons.
How do you feel about sharing Marigo Pop with Maggie?
Get ready for plenty of laughs and a whole lot of fun when you come on down to Groundling Marsh, living proof that Mother Nature has a sense of humor. Don't miss Groundling Marsh, now on public television.
Have you ever seen anything like that in your life?
Check your local listings or call your public television station for the viewing time in your area. And watch for Groundling Marsh on home video from Lyric Studios.
She's by my side.
It's nice outside.
All right, concentrate. I met her in my pajamas.
In the Bahamas.
In the Bahamas.
In my pajamas.
All right, in my pajamas.
In the Bahamas.
From Lyric Studios, the director of Barney restaurant.
The first day of school, my teacher said,
Comes with knowledge of reformer.
picture for your parents. So I drew a picture
The whole family will.
Gator and I named him Terrence. When I
For
gave
12 years, she's entering things everywhere.
Mom, she said, I love pink alligators. Then she bought some magnets and she put
He's one to name cancer.
refrigerator. And she said she put it
And you can bring him home on 2 great deals.
everyone would see.
Experience all the songs.
Picture and how proud
The smiles.
she is of me.
And a lot more fun.
The teacher asked me why a drawing
You run it Joe. Joe Scruggs.
Cause it's a refrigerator picture for my mom. Refrigerator picture for my mom.
Live from Dear Joe and Joe TV now on Joe. Listen to friends. For other Joe that only the too.
Great stories.
I can show you where to look.
Big dinosaurs. And a whole lot of numbers.
Hey everyone, I found the number 2 in Texas.
Then get ready because it's time for counting. The newest home video from Barney.
Come on, let's work this 1, 2, 3.
When the numbers on Stella the Storyteller's alarm clock wind up missing,
No, most of the numbers are missing.
it's up to Barney and all his friends to help her find them.
Great idea, let us go.
Get ready for lots of wonderful stories.
Once upon a time, in the wall of a farmer's cottage,
Plus fun and music galore. And great numbers like 12, 9, and 4.
That's a catchy little rhyme.
Learning how to count has never been this much fun. Don't miss It's Time for Counting, now on home video from Lyric Studios.